So here's how you can use Android Auto on Samsung phone. For that reason, let me just go to the settings. And then from here, you need to open up the connection right over here. Tap on that and scroll it down, and onto the bottom side, you will probably find this Android Auto option. So simply tap on that. And now you don't need to do anything with these, but you need to tap on this option, connect a vehicle. Then you can simply connect a vehicle with your cable connector. You can do so, but if you want to connect your vehicle with like wirelessly, then you need to tap on this option, connect using wireless auto. Then you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your mobile phone. So you can simply tap on that, or you can simply go to the notification bar and tap on the Bluetooth to turn on. Now from here, you need to connect your vehicle with the Bluetooth over here. It will show the vehicle model number or anything in this option. All right, then you can simply tap on pair a vehicle. Now it will show up your vehicle in the available device section like this. You can simply tap on connect and it will be connected. So that's how you can use Android Auto on Samsung phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.